print type. Okay. Last class you seen what installation of Python software and installation of one text editor. What is the text editor we are using now? Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So first make a folder. Make a folder on a desktop. Like what name? Any name. Give your name there. Okay. I'll give there what just like Josh 2 p.m. Josh 2 p.m. Now right click on this one. Open with what? Code. Okay. This is your interface. So Josh 2 p.m. is what your folder. Make a first file. What is the first file now? 01 underscore. What type we're doing now? Print types. What shall be the file extension? .py. So when I keep the .py, what will happen there? Activations will be happening there. Okay. Now, before starting the print types, okay, you have to know what is how the print statement works here. Like if it is only a single line of code, I can write what? Print, then single quotes, hello space Python. Hello space Python. How to open terminal window? We have a shortcut to open terminal window. See, simply if I click on this run button, automatically the code gets saved and I'll get the output. I'm getting the output the last hello Python, but even I'm getting what something stuff also there. So type there what in the terminal window? CLS. Now again run the code, you're getting the proper answer. Now if again, what shall I do now again? Clear the screen. Why should I clear the screen first of all? Because every time I'm typing the code, I'm getting some answer. To avoid confusion, every time what I'm doing there, clearing the screen. No. In Python, if it is single line of code, if it is what? Single line of code, then I can write it what? Single quotes or double quotes. First of all, what is the problem with the single quotes? In Python, starting, ending should be what? Same. If I'm starting with single quote, ending also should be what? Single quote. But in the middle, if I keep a single quote, it will not work as of now. As of now means what? It is possible, but now it is not possible. Okay. So if I keep in the middle there, what will happen? I'll get what? An error there. Invalid syntax. Because what happened now? Python getting what? Confused. Where starting, where ending. So when I'm using single quote starting and ending, in the middle I can't keep what? Single quotes. But if I want, I can keep what now? Double quotes. Double quotes is what now? Possible. But single quotes possible? Is the first thing clear? No. Now what I wrote in the first line, I want the same thing to be pasted below. Shortcut. First of all, keep the cursor in the first line anywhere. Then press what now? Alt button, Shift button, down arrow key. Okay. Now I want to keep double quotes here and here. Both the sides I have to keep. So first of all, make decision where you want to keep. Then continuously press what now? Alt button. Then here and here. Then keep what? Double quotes. Why I'm telling the shortcuts at the beginning only? Because starting only I told. VS Code is mostly for what? Shortcuts. But if you want to type everything by keeping the cursor here, then here, all those lengthy process, then you can go with what? Jupyter Notebook or Spider or PyCharm or anything else. But the main reason of using VS Code is for what? Shortcuts. Now, in Python, if it is single line of code, I can write it what? Single quotes or double quotes. Both are same. And every print statement takes a new line. Make a point. Every print statement takes a new line. So what is my first answer now? Hello space Python. What is the second answer also again? Hello space Python. Let us see once. Are both same or different? Both are same. To avoid confusion, let me give some other name here now. I'll give you hello world. Okay. Then again, clear screen. If I don't clear the screen, what happens now? See, again, if I run the code, I'm getting the answer, but I'm having confusion. This is my output or this is my output. That is why after every program, after every execution, I'm clearing the screen. And CLS stands for what? Clear screen. And for the first output now, hello space Python. Even the space also counted in the Python. If I don't give a space now, what happened now? Hello Python. What is second answer now? Hello world. Hello space world or hello world? Hello space world. Remember, in the Python, space also counted. If I give a space, you have to say what? If I ask you the question now, what is the answer of first answer? Don't say hello Python. Hello Python means what? There is no space. So what you should need to say? Hello space Python. What is the second answer now? Hello world. So way of pronouncing, way of saying also will be different in the Python there. Okay. Is the first thing clear? Now, can I keep, first of all, in the single quotes, can I keep a single quote here anywhere? No. In double quotes, can I keep a double quotes? No. But in single quotes, can I keep double quotes anywhere? Yes. In double quotes, can I keep single quote anywhere? Is the first part clear? No. See, in Python, we have like what? Comments. We're having what? Comments. What is comment? Suppose I'm going for mathematics exam. I'll be making one rough column. Yes or no? I'll making what? One rough column. Why I'll make a rough column? To solve my program. In now, suppose I'm correcting a paper. Will I count a rough column? In mathematics exam, will they count the rough column? What you wrote in the rough column? Will it be counted? No. Why did you use rough column? For your own purpose. Okay. To make sure that your program or your code, like what your steps are correct or not. Getting the correct answer or not. Similarly, in programming language, we are having what? Comments. In Python, we represent comments by using what? Hash. By what symbol? Hash. And technical terms we call as what? Compound sign. What sign? Compound sign. Okay. You can even call as hash or you can even call as what? Compound sign. What does this hash do? Whatever I keep in this hash will not be counted now. Will not be counted. The only hash meaning is what here now? The only hash meaning. Nothing but what? It is what? Single line comment. What line of comment? Single line comment. Now, what is the use of comment in the programming language? Listen properly. The main use of comment is for what? To make the end user to understand the line of code or program. To make the end user to understand the line of code or program. Suppose you're working in a company now. Suddenly you want to go to other company and you're in the middle of the project. I have to continue from there. How will I understand? You have to wait 2 days or you'll again tell me the project. From there I'll continue? No. What I'll do, whatever the line you wrote in the coding part, always you write what? Comments. So depending reading by comments, I should understand what is happening there. So in the real time also, compulsory we have to write what? Comments. But not compulsory when you're learning the programming. But in real time, what? Compulsory you have to write the comments. Because it is not compulsory you'll be sticking to one company. So anytime you may transfer to other company or you may move to other department from testing to developer, anything. So always you have to write your code in what? In comments. What is happening? If I'm writing some line of code, what is happening there? Okay. So as of now, remember this what? Hash means what? Single line comment. Hash means what? Single line comment. Then I have a shortcut in the VS Code. To make comment, I can use a shortcut called as what? Control plus forward slash. Control plus what? Forward slash. To keep what? Comments. To keep or remove comments. to keep or remove comments. Okay, to make a point this one, what is the use of hash? Hash is called a single line comment in the VS Code. To keep comments, what I'll be using the button there now? Control plus /. Okay. Now let me show you once. See, now if I want to keep this in comment, comments will first of all, comments will never get executed in the program. It is like what? Rough column. Rough column. Only to make the end user or the programmer to understand the line of code or program. I want to keep this first line. I don't want to run now. What I'm doing now? Keeping the cursor before the P, then pressing what now? Shift plus 3. Lengthy process. Yes or no? Then if I have to again clear the screen there, then save the code, or else directly, if I have not installed the code runner, then when I click the run button, automatically the code get what? Saved. If I don't say what happening, getting the what? White circle. Now when I click on the play button, this run button, automatically the code gets what? Saved. So run there now. Is the first line getting executed now? No. Okay. But if I remove the comment now, again I want to remove the comment now. I even want to run and show what? The first line also now. Again I keep the cursor here, remove this one hash, again run the code, getting the answer. But this is what lengthy way. Lengthy way. Which I want to keep comment? Suppose example, I want to keep the comment in the second line. Keep cursor even in the second line. Press what? Control plus /. That's it. Now clear screen. Run the code. If I want to keep the, if I even want to keep comments for first and second line, select first and 2 lines. For comments, no need to select full things. Okay. Just half part also, if it covers also fine. Covering second and first line, half part, enough. Control plus /. To keep comments, and comments will get executed now. Anything is going to happen in the program now? No. But if I want to run now both the lines of code now, will I keep the cursor and then remove hash? No. Simply select those 2 lines. Press what again now? Control plus /. Clear first thing? So what is the use of comments? Comments will never get executed in the program. Comments is for what? To make the user to understand the line of code or program. And whenever I want, I can execute it. But in the VS Code, I have a shortcut like what? Control plus /. To keep or remove the comments. Is first part clear, everyone? Doubt is there a first part? Everyone? Okay. So these first 2 lines I'll keep in comments now. Tell me what is the shortcut now to keep comment? Select 2 lines, press what now? Control plus /. Now let us go to third line now. See, what is the problem with the single quotes or double quotes? I cannot use for what? Multiple lines. As of now, I cannot use for what? Multiple lines. Like example now, first of all, what I told the first thing, every print takes a new line now, that you don't forget. I wrote it single quote hello. Next line I want to write Python. Here it is coming red. Here it is coming what now? Gray color now. So this will not work now. What I'm getting there? Syntax error EOL while scanning string literal. What is the full form of EOL? End of a line. Make a pointer. EOL. End of a line. Why I'm getting this error? Because single quote, double quotes can be used only for what? Single line. But I'm using for what now? Multiple lines. That's why not possible. What it is thinking starting here, where is single quote again? Where ending? Not there. One more thing. Suppose example, I wrote hello Python. Hello space Python I wrote. I forgot to keeping the what? The single quote at the ending. then also I'll get the same error. See once again, clear screen, run the code. Yes or no? That's why starting where, ending also where. Single quote, double quotes for what only? For single line. But not for what? Multiple lines. As of now. Not for what? Multiple lines. I can't even use what? Double quotes also. I can't even use what? Double quotes. See once. Can you use double quotes there? I'm getting the what again? Invalid or what? EOL while scanning string literal. Why getting this error? Starting double quotes here. Ending where? Ending where? Not the ending. That's why getting the what? Syntax error. But now if I want to work with multiple lines, I want to work with what? Multiple lines. Then I have to use 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes. So let me use now 3 times single quotes here and here. Starting ending should what? Same. Now, when I'm using 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes, it works like what? Xerox copy. Works like what? Xerox copy. Always keep in brain. Whenever I'm keeping 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes, whatever right there will be what now? Printed. What's in the first line now? The first line will take hello. Second line will take what now? Python. One more. If I write like this now, what's the answer now? First line hello. Second line few spaces, and then what I'll get? Python. If I write like this now again, first line hello, second line empty line, third line few spaces, and then what I'll get next? Python. I can even use now here I can use double quotes or single quotes, no problem. If I want single quote, I can use even I can want double quotes also I can use, no problem. Why? Because it's like Xerox copy, anything you can write there. So in 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes, there is no problem. Let me show that also once. This is what 3 times single quotes. Now I want to show you what double quotes. Now, can't I write the same thing now? Yes, same thing is possible. Let me show this in comments now. I'm using what now? 3 times double quotes. Same or different answer? Huh? I can even use 3 times single quote, double quotes for single line also. There is no problem. If I want double quotes or single quotes, anywhere. Possible or not possible? Huh? I can use 3 times single quotes, 3 times double quotes for single line and even for what? Multiple lines also. And when I'm using 3 times single quote, double quotes, it works like what? Xerox copy. Yes, sir? Now, this all 4 are clear now for everyone. Take your first exercise part now. Your first exercise part. I want each and everyone to print now what? Hello world. How many ways you know? That many ways you write. I want in the output what now? I want hello space world in the output. Yeah, in a paper. In a books. In how many ways can I print now? Hello space world. How many ways possible? One way, two way, how many? 4 ways. Now tell me, this I'll keep in comment now. Tell me all the 4 ways now. Print with single quotes. Hello space world. Now, see what I wrote in the first line. I want below also. So keep the cursor anywhere in the first line, in the 12th line or anywhere you want to. Then press what now? Alt Shift down arrow key. Because you told what all the 4 ways now. Okay. Now I want double quotes here and here also. So first keep the cursor there, then press what now? Alt button. Then keep here also. So double quotes came. Yeah, wait. Alt here and alt here. Double quotes. Then here what I want to? 3 times single quotes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then below. Now see here. Alignment got changed. Have to be very careful. Alignments. Again, I have to press the what now? Escape button. I want here change and here change. Manually also I can do. Okay, not like I can't do manually. T10 double quotes here. Then come here again, keep what? T10 double quotes. Now this all four should give me the same answer. Line number 12, 13, 14, 15. Should give me what now? Same answer. Run the code now. So are they giving the same answer now? Okay, clear first part, everyone? Doubt is there? Clear? Sure? So let me keep the comment. How to keep the comment? First of all, clear the screen. How to clear? CLS. Now, how to keep this comment? 12, 13, 14, 15. Select those lines. Press what now? Control plus forward slash. Now, next question. I want this in the output now. I want print also. I want hello space world. This in the output. See, I want print also. I want bracket. I want hello. Then space also I want. World also I want. Bracket close. This I want in the output. Think and write once. Yeah, think once. Think and write. One way possible, write one way. Two ways possible, write two ways. Right. How many ways are possible? Those many ways you write. What is my question again? I'm saying I want print also. I want bracket. I want hello. I want space. I want world. Again, I want bracket also. In the output, write the code for it. How many ways possible? Four ways. First, what to print. Now I'll copy this. I don't have time to write it, so I'll just copy this line. And with the help of what now? Single quotes. Print single quotes. Then ending also what? Single quote. This is one thing I can do. Next, print with double quotes. Paste it there, double quotes. Then print 3 times single quotes. Paste it there again 3 times single quotes. Next, print 3 times double quotes. So how many ways possible as of now? 4 ways. Let us just see this. All 4 will give the same answer. So this I'll keep in the comment now. Let us see this. All 4 will give the same answer. So all 4 giving the same answer now. Clear till here? No. This again I'll keep in comments now. See, one thing at the starting you have seen, I'm getting there what if I don't keep the single quote, double quote, and forgetting to keep. What I got there, syntax error, EOL while scanning string literal. What is the full form of EOL? End of line. But you don't know the meaning of what is string. Before, let me come back. See, hash is called as what? Single line comment. And in the VS Code, I have a shortcut called as what? Control plus forward slash. Okay. And comments will get executed in the program? No, they will never get executed in the program. Hash is called as what? Single line comment. Then I have what? 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 double quotes. 1, 2. For giving a clarity, let me write with the help of a system. Why I'm writing manually? Because a moving object will see very fast. But if I type something, you won't see. Okay. So see once here now. 1, 2, 3. 3 times single quotes. I can write something there. Example, if I want to hello world or something like suppose now I want to print something more. This is what my comments part now. Okay, example, suppose I wrote in what 3 10 double quotes. Okay, 3 time what single quotes. Now let me write with the help of 3 10 double quotes now. 1 2 3. I can use 3 times single quotes or 3 10 double quotes. Both are same. Yes. Now I am using multiple lines for writing. 3 10 double quotes. Now the 3 times single quotes or 3 10 double quotes without the print statement. Without the print statement, it is called as comments. Called as what? Comments. But which comments? Here, first of all, single line comment over. Now, this is called as what? Multi-line comments. Called as what? Multi-line comments. Make a point here. These both are called as what now? Multi-line comments. So 3 time double single quote, 3 time double quotes without print statement and without a variable is called as a multi-line state comments. Make a point properly. First copy, then I'll tell you a proper sentence. Don't write something. Just write whatever. Just write your name something. Okay. Don't copy exactly same. Done copying part. Now listen properly. Okay. 3 times single quotes or 3 time double quotes. 3 time single quotes or 3 time double quotes without the print statement. Without the print statement or without storing or without storing inside any variable. Without storing inside any variable. Without storing inside any variable is called as multi-line comments. Is called as multi-line comments. Okay, done writing part now. Here, I don't have any kind of a shortcuts for multiple lines. No shortcut for removing, no shortcut for keeping. Okay, but someday I may want to write. Suppose she may come and ask, sir, once run and show what first line of code. He may come and ask, show fourth line. That time I won't use what multiple lines of code. I'll just use what a single line comment. I won't use what a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment I will be using when I never want to run the code. Example, like note taking part is there now. Will I ever want to run and show note taking part? No. Let me show practically. First of all, let me save this one file for you. Okay. Here. Example, I'll say what now? Try to print hello space world with what now? This single line code. Now, do you think, do I want to run and show this line of code first of all for you? Example, I wrote this line. Will it work first of all? No, will not work. Because everything should be written what? Inside the print statement. Inside the print statement. Okay. Now, if I keep a single line of code, single line comment, what happens now? Will not get executed. But think once, do I ever want to run and show this line of code for you? Will anyone come and ask what will happen in the 23rd line? No one is going to ask. That time I'll keep in what? 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes. Starting ending should be what again? What? Same. 3 times single quotes. I can even for use for what? Single line also. For clarity, I'll keep in this like this. Okay. I want try to print what? Print hello space world. Single quote for what? L. Okay. Means what? This is what? Multiple line comment. Multi-line comment. Question there. Now I want you to print what? I want even in the output now. Print also I want L, then single quote hello space world. How many ways possible? Think once and write. Write once. Seeing way will be easy, but time of writing will be different again. I want the 24th line answer. Okay. I want print also. I want bracket. I want HCL. Single quote. I want hello, then space world. Then the bracket. How many ways possible? 3 ways. So let me show all the 3 ways now. And print. Single quote can I use first of all? No. But I can use what? Double quote. And let me copy this line from here only now. Control C, paste it here. This one way is possible. Then what are other ways? 3 times single quotes. Okay, here. Then here also ending. Or else 3 times double quotes. This all 3 should give me this 24th line answer. Giving? Yes or no? So clear till here? Okay. Now, see, this terminal window is always been there only now, not going anywhere. Now, we have a shortcut for opening and closing the terminal window. To open and close the terminal window. I don't want this terminal window now. I want to close it. Then we have a shortcut. Control plus tilt button to hide the terminal window. To open terminal window again, control plus tilt button. What I'm saying now, control plus tilt button. First of all, what is first shortcut to play the same thing below? Alt plus shift plus down arrow key. All the shortcuts I'll give you. Okay, again, down arrow key. This for what? Pasting the same thing below. For comments, for keeping single line comment and to remove the single line comment, control plus forward slash. Be careful. This is what? Forward slash. And this is what? Backward slash. To keep comments, what I'm saying, to keep comment, to keep single line comment or to remove the single line comment, control plus forward slash. Now, to open or hide, to hide or what? Open the terminal window, control button plus tilt button. Or else in the mathematical terms, it tells us what? Negation. Okay. But in technical terms, we call as what? Tilt. T-I-L-T. What is the use of control plus tilt button? To open or hide the terminal window. So let us come back there. Clear? Area clear? Okay. So what I told the starting, every print statement takes a new line. Remember? No. See, I wrote print. I wrote suppose hello. I wrote nothing over here now. Then print suppose Python. What do you think this answer? Yeah. See, let me tell you once. The 31 line will take what? An empty line. Will print what? empty line. So now you can answer now. Hello, empty line, Python. Okay. But what is about this double quotes, single quotes? What is this 3 times single quotes? What is 3 times double quotes? So listen once, then I'll give you the note. Anything enclosed between single quotes or double quotes or 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes inside the print statement or stored inside a variable is called as strings. Called as what? Strings. Make a point, everyone. What is strings? Anything enclosed between single quotes, anything enclosed between what? Single quotes or double quotes or 3 times single quotes anything enclosed between single quotes or double quotes or 3 times single quotes or 3 times double quotes inside the print statement or stored inside a variable is called as strings. strings. Okay. See once here. So all notes are already there. Okay. No need to write. If you're hanging also, if you're not writing also, no problem. Okay. Here. I kept hello in the single quotes, in double quotes, 3 times single quotes, 3 times double quotes. And even if I keep numbers also or anything if I keep inside the strings, inside what? Single quote, double quote, 3 times single quote, 3 times double quotes, it will be treated as what? Strings. It will be treated as strings. Clear? What I told this now, same thing here. In the Python even, space is also what? Counted. Okay. Now, is the first line possible? Hello space Python with double quotes? Yes. Hello Python possible? Yes. What about this line? Not possible. Why not possible? Because I'm using what? Single quotes for multiple lines. Not possible. What about double quotes? Not possible. What about this one? Not told. This is what we are going to see now. What about this one also? Not seen. What about this one answer now? Tell me. First line, hello. Next line, world. What about this? Hello space Python. Clear? Okay. So let us see this one. What is this hello world and what is this hello world? Okay.